Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is an exciting day. We are finally addressing the front of the car. Specifically, headlights. So apparently the wiring behind the bumper here is really messed up. What the fuck? Damn, that's pretty bad. I need to get this front bumper buffed out or something, because when I tried to use that paint thinner, it just really messed it up. But that'll be coming soon. But right now we're gonna address our headlights. Like I said, the wiring behind here is really wonky. It makes the fog lights all wonky, and hopefully I'll be able to fix that too. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the bumper off, and see you guys after that. Alright, so this is how far I've gotten to the bumper right now. As you can see how janky this shit is. This definitely needs some removing or redoing. I would remove them if I had the covers for it, but unfortunately I don't right now. This side's just as bad. I mean, shit, they zip tied it right here, so I can't even, like, you got exposed wire. Whoever owned this car before me did not like it very much, I guess. And there's the rads and all that good stuff. But got the bumper off. Now we're gonna go ahead and start taking off the headlights. And I haven't figured out how I'm gonna learn how to wire them yet. So after I get this off, maybe with a 10 mil, because that's not going nowhere. Okay, let me get this off, maybe. There we go. So apparently this is a shroud that goes around the headlight, and then you can just unscrew the headlight itself, I think. I've never done this before, so I've replaced the whole light before. Try not to get my fat self in there. Oh, wheel. Let's see. Did I do this right? Apparently not. Huh. Ah, there's more. More. These two and that little hole there. I'm doing this all off of guessing and how it looks, so. So bear with me a little bit, guys, because I'm not too smart. Okay. Boop. And that one's very loose. So both all that's out. That should just pop right off. And I'm gonna leave that hanging because I can't figure out how to get that thing out of that clip. And then the headlights, I don't know right now, but I will figure it out. Okay, so I just had to pop it off. It was a clip right in this hole. I just popped out right here. And now I got to unplug it from that. Can you see my fingers? Right here. And of course, I hate pressure plugs. I hate them. Oh, shit. I got it. All right. Okay, now. That is a headlight. Stock light, too. Come on out of there. I guess I did not have to take out the low beam or whatever this fucker is. So I'll put you back in. Maybe. Maybe. Cool. Oh! There's one. Let me go get the other box of headlights. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I know it's been a minute, but I had to do some Googling on my how-to video to learn how to. And for right now, that's what she looks like. I have not yet plugged in the headlight yet, or installed it completely, but I did the wiring. It was actually really easier than I thought. And I'll break that down for you when I do this light here, but this is what the comparison is as of right now. Dude, that is sick. I don't know if you can see it on the camera very well, but that is so cool. All right, so yeah, the fronts are sequential, and now we've got sequential in the fronts and the backs. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish installing the h.i.d on this one and get the other light out, and then once it's time to wire it up, I'll try to do a better job explaining things to you guys. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, so when you want to tap your daytime running lights are the white wire, your turning lights are the yellow, and of course your ground. I have these little taps here, this little blue tap, and so I still have function of the turn signal on the stock vehicle. Basically, your white wire is going to be tapped in with, with the green wire right. Shit. I don't know. Yeah, so the green wire and the white wire are tapped together, and then basically all you're going to do is take this, and there's a little metal tab in the middle, and you're going to crunch that down onto the wires, and it's basically just going to like splice them together just like that. This is, I think, the easiest way to do it, and I know it's taken forever to do it, but hey, I'm not perfect. And then once you do that, once that's tapped in, you're just gonna, if I can get the light right. Can you light me, please? Fucking useless right here. Fucking useless. All right. So once you do that, this little blue alligator clip looking motherfucker just comes over like that and clips in place, and it just, that's it. So we're gonna do that with all three. Dude, that's perfect. You should do this for a living. Should I? Yeah. Light guy? Yeah, dude, that's fucking awesome. All right, so next we're gonna do the red wire, which is gonna be connected to the yellow. Is the camera even pointing at it? I don't know. All right. He's showing up, bro. Bro, I know. I mean, like, flexing. Just slide that sucker in here, like that. Boom. Make sure it's in there. Away. And then, of course, the ground. I don't think you guys need to see that because it's the same thing, and black goes to black. Boom. And then your ground wire here. Shove it in. Close it up. Oh, that hurt. Okay. And then clamp it down.
So this one's actually really simple compared to the other kit that I had put on.
Basically, your little blue end right here, the little tooth prong, just line up the adapter so the little tooth goes over here, or the little alligator goes over here. Just clip it in, and then you have to be completely retarded to screw this up because it only goes one way. But when we were doing the other h.i.ds, if you want to watch that video, we screwed that up pretty bad. Just plug that in, and then you just plug this one in. Just line it up. Make sure the clip goes over the little tooth. Boom. And that's it wired up. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the lights on, see if they work, and we'll button it back up and then do a couple of drives, I guess.
I'm recording.
All right, guys. Here we go. enjoyed that video of our little light install. This is actually the first time I'm gonna get to see it. What? That one's still on. I thought I unplugged it. Well, I thought I unplugged the fog light, so it's just gonna look goofy, I guess. I don't know. Oh well.
We'll fix it this weekend.
We'll fix it this weekend. But there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. This looks so mean, doesn't it? Doesn't that look so mean? Hopefully you guys can see it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.